Hello folks, well we're going to start the field test for the Danita 301 hand portal, which is CEPT, with Mr. Chippie showing us where on the analyzer the centre of that aerial is.
It isn't at the centre now, it's 25 megs, so as I go up it peaks about 26421, which...
Well, so we need to be on, the lowest channel is 26965, isn't it, for CPT, so...
26.9. Well,
what's your
that's
SWR?
right, was 7.721.
My goodness. So
isn't great.
it's worse SWR than that intake we did, isn't it?
So 27.7, it's over the threshold.
So right, so channel 1 is its best performance. 26965, whatever it is. Yeah. Well, that's what we'll do. We'll try and work on channel 1 then. That's the fair test. Right. I'm just wondering what radio to use. We'll discuss that amongst ourselves. I'm going to have to do this handheld because my fat body's in the way of the tripod. So the radio's booted up on channel 9. I'm going to put it on 20. Make sure the power meter's in low power. So on channel 20, what we got? So that is it's about 1 watt. So it's about what the instruction book says. So it was 3 watts when supplied with 13.8 volts. Now we're just going to go down the channels because we're going to do this on channel 1, as we've determined that's going to be the best SWR and give it the best chance. It's about the same power, so it's about 1 watt. Tango 21.
Roger, yeah, on the Thunderpole, just making sure you're there.
Roger Dodger, I've just pressed the record button.
Roger that, just backing out the drive and then we'll be off.
Roger Dodger. Okay, so we're going to use this Satcom 40 Scan 40F as a base station, CPT set. I felt it fairest to use an FM only set because I'm not sure that AM FM sets are quite the range. This is nothing spectacular. It does just over 3 watts output. I think it's 3.1, and it's about the last of the Cybernet built sets. Receives about 0.5 of a microvolt. It's crystal filtered. We're having to be on channel 1 CPT if you looked at the first bit of this video because of the SWR of the aerial on the walkie-talkie. So we'll be talking to Mr. Chippie in the car on the Thunderpole 3000.
Right, coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane. You don't need to give me a petrol price either.
136.7 and 140 something.
No, well, it's I've not turned the tannoy system down, but I think we're going to go.
Roger.
So we're working on a realistic TRC 3000. I don't know which video is going to come out first.
Right, just going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Drama. Right, we're in the top of the hill there, but just give me a chance to start recording, etc.
Yep, Roger on that, will do. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Mr. Chippie, do you copy? Tango 21, only just receiving you at that. Just receiving you. What can I say? Try and follow my voice.
Yeah, well, it's fine for me, but I mean, it wasn't great at this position last time, was it?
Roger, I've got you now. Readability 3. So I've got your readability 3. If you'd like to go down to Scratchy Corner, please, over.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, only just receiving you at that. Just receiving you. What can I say? Try and follow my voice.
Yeah, well, you're fine to me, but I mean, it wasn't great at this position last time, was it? And but it picked up, didn't it?
Roger, I've got you now. Readability 3. I've got your readability 3. If you'd like to go down to Scratchy Corner, please, over.
Yep, Roger, will do.
So he's about 1.5 miles away at that point. It's not good, is it?
Right, we're on the move again.
Yeah, Roger Dodger. So it sounds to me like it's an absolutely great set when you use it on 13.8 volts with an external area, but when you actually use it as a walkie-talkie, it's not.
Yep, could be right. We'll find out shortly anyway.
I'll get you to go on to the level crossing because it's less in the shadow of the hill over.
Yeah, roger that. Alright, position Scratchy Corner.
Got you at Scratchy Corner, Roger. Tango 21, testing Scratchy Corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tango 21, testing. Do you copy, Mr. Chippie? Over. Tango 21, just getting you. Just getting you. Can't tell what you say, but I'm just getting you, over. Right, if you get back into the car and I'll get you to go to the next point, Wilsford level crossing, please, over.
1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tango 21 testing. Do you copy, Mr. Chippie? Over.
Tango 21, yeah, copy you. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. Are you receiving?
Can't tell what you say, but I'm just getting you over.
Yeah, roger that. I'm right to the corner of Scratchy Corner now. Can you hear me at all?
Back into the car and I'll get you to go to the next point, Wilsford level crossing, please, over.
Yeah, roger that. One more try. I'm right at the corner. Can you hear me?
Right, we're on the move again to Wilsford Village.
Roger Dodger.
Just pulling into the right by with you shortly.
Yep, Roger on that.
Right, we're now in position. Give me the chance, obviously, to print a code, etc.
Yep, Roger on that, will do.
Ah.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Mr. Chippie, do you copy me from Wilsford level crossing? Over. Oh, Roger, got you at Wilsford level crossing. I am surprised. Well, I can talk to you properly, so we will get you to go on to the next point, please, over. Now you're going to have to say that again because your first over was absolutely excellent. Your second over was radio 1.5. I wonder if that's the case. Right, well, anyway, try the next point, please, over.
Calling Mr. Chippie. Come on, calling Mr. Chippie. Mr. Chippie, do you copy me from Wilsford level crossing? Over.
Yep, roger that, I copy you.
Oh, Roger, I've got you as Wilsford level crossing. I am surprised. Well, I can talk to you properly, so we will get you to go on to the next point, please, over.
Roger that. I'm stood in front of two mountain trucks, well, a truck and a trailer, and they're both metal, so perhaps they're acting as a reflector.
Now, you're going to have to say that again, because your first over was absolutely excellent, and your second over was radio 1.5.
Yeah, I'm just saying, there's a parked up mountain skip and a trailer, both metal. I just wonder if they're working as a reflector.
I wonder if that's the case, right. Well, try the next point, please, over.
Yep, roger that, will do.
Well, that surprised me.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger Dodger, I was surprised.
Yeah, well, it's good. It's good that we can get through from there. At least we can have a discussion about how bad it is further on.
Yeah, Roger, you were saying about something acting as a reflector.
Yes, there was a mountain skip truck and a trailer of similar, and it was all metal, and I'm stood in front of it, so it's probably acting as a reflector. So it was fine, so I started turning around to look at the truck, and then you said I'd disappeared.
Ah, Roger, that was it. Yeah, I was kind of getting 5/8 of what you were saying over.
Yep, roger that. 21 Chippie in position. As usual, give me a chance to respond, etc.
Yep, Roger on that, will do. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie at the Kelby turn. Testing 1, 2, 3. Mr. Chippie, over. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, I'm not receiving anything at all. Mr. Chippie, over. There's just the slightest movement of the background noise. So that's it. Get back in the car, please, over.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie at the Kelby turn. Testing 1, 2, 3. Mr. Chippie, over.
Yep, roger that, I'm receiving you loud and clear.
I'm not receiving anything at all. Mr. Chippie, over.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, any better?
It's just the slightest movement of the background noise. So that's it. Get back in the car, please, over.
Roger that.
Tango 21, back in the car.
Yep, Roger on that. Would you like to go back to the Rosby level, not Rosby, Wilsford level crossing, please? I'm going to swap the radio for that customer's Danita, over.
Yeah, roger that, I can do that.
Roger. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, I'm back with you on a different radio.
Roger that, Tango 21, so I'm ready when you are. Obviously give me a chance to get out, etc.
Yep, Roger, so I'm on the customer's Danita 3000, which will be going back tomorrow-ish.
Yep, roger that, I'll receive.
Roger. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie at the Wilsford level crossing. Testing 1, 2, 3. Mr. Chippie, over. Yeah, Roger, you say I'm coming through loud and clear. It's about the same readability as it was with the Cybernet based radio I've been using, so that's fine, thank you. Right, if you'd like to return to base, that's where the test ends. Over.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie at the Wilsford level crossing. Testing 1, 2, 3, Mr. Chippie, over.
Yep, Tango 21 receiving you loud and clear.
Yeah, Roger, you say I'm coming through loud and clear. It's about the same readability as it was with the Cybernet based radio I've been using. So that's fine, thank you.
Yep, roger that. Right, I'll see you back there.
Right, if you'd like to return to base, that's where the test ends, over.
Roger that.
Well, that just goes to show, doesn't it?
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, back with you.
Yep, Roger, that's absolutely fine, thank you. Same kind of readability, so it just goes to prove this radio works as well as the Scan 40F Cybernet base set which I was using over.
Yep, roger that.
Okay then, that's it. I'll say 1010, thank you for that.
Roger that, 10-10.
There we go. So, what was the conclusion? Well, we could hear it, radio 2 at where he's just been, at Wilsford level crossing. That's about 2.5 miles. We knew there was something there at 3 miles. Yeah, it's about 2.5 miles. But of course, the thing with that set, it's only about 1 watt when it's on batteries. It's 3 watts when it's on 13.8 volts. But never tried one of those before, and luckily CPT wasn't too noisy, because it's a pretty useless band round here. So thank you for watching the Danita 301, isn't it? That's Danita to Danita. It's just dawned on me, that's not why I did this. Yep, thanks for watching. That was an interesting bit of test.